How to create email flows with Klaviyo. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can create an email flow within Klaviyo. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to go ahead to klaviyo.com, then sign up for an account. It is very easy and it will not take so much time. The second thing that you need to do is to sign into your account after you have finished. Then simply we are going to see this dashboard. On the left side menu, we have Home, Campaigns, Flows, etc. To create these flows or these email flows, click on Flows. Here, it will welcome you to the Welcome series or the Welcome Flows series. You can go ahead and here and introduce the brand that you have with a Welcome series. Here we have the options to introduce the brand, promote the social media, showcase the best-selling products. You can build your own or you can create a Welcome series. Let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit. We have here the flows template. We have a lot of choices, so we are going to see each one and read the description of it. We have the welcome series, which is the same as this. We have the abandoned cart, which have every 7 of 10 carts are abandoned. Recover more of them and drive up sales with these series. We have the SMS welcome series. We have the browse abandonment. We have the customer thank you. This is after the action of buying something. We have the product review or / cross sell. You will ask the customers that have bought the product to make a little review and you will send them a little survey to answer some questions, so you will gather some reviews for your product. We have the customer webinar. You can go ahead and make a webinar for your customers and see their demanding and a lot of options. Here, you can go ahead and see more idea by just clicking on browse ideas. It will show up all the templates that are possible and all the possibilities that you can go ahead and put. As you can see here, we have some customized email templates or flows. We have the templates that are special for Shopify stores, and we have the normal templates or flows that are related to the calendar, for example, birthdays. Here we have anniversary and etc. Let's go ahead here and select one for our Shopify store. We have here the full shipping confirmation. You can also create from scratch. Let's say that I want to put a customer thank you that he bought or she bought a product from me, and I'm going to set a thank you message. Here we have the description. This is the goal or the objective of this email is to build loyalty and the post-purchase follow-up. Now we have the name, customer thank you, new versus returning. I'm going to name this template or this flow as thank you email, like that. And here we have the tags. You can put it as SMS or email. I'm going to put it as email. And here the trigger will be placed for the order from Shopify. You can go ahead and select the integration from Shopify. You can go ahead and put the or connect the Shopify store by clicking on here, and you can create the flow. But I'm not going to do that here. I'm going to send or set up a standard flow. Let's say that we are going to create it from scratch. Here we have the name. I'm going to put here thank you email. Tags, put an email. And here we have it. We are going to create that flow, and we are going to select the emails and also the duration that it will take for that email to go. First thing first, we have to set up a trigger. We have the recommended one or the most popular. You can go ahead and select one of those, but these will recommend you or will get you to put a matrix to it. That means for the matrix, we have the API and we have the Klaviyo. The API is for the external integration, for example, for Shopify, or you have another platform that will be connected to Klaviyo. And for the Klaviyo, it is the local one. As you can see, we have here the send SMS, subscribe to SMS marketing, and subscribe to SMS marketing. You can go ahead and see all the triggers. You can add some matrix or add a segment, for example, add it to list. Here we have the which list will trigger this flow. Here we have the newsletter, preview list, SMS subscriber. Generally, I will create with Klaviyo a newsletter. Here we have the first trigger added. We have here the trigger. I'm going to add it to list. Profile filter, you can add some profile filter. You can go ahead and add, put a condition, for example, properties about someone. If someone is or is not within the EU, here it is up to you to choose. For example, I'm going to here what someone has done or not done. You can go ahead and put these matrix. Now I am going simply to confirm, save and confirm. This was for the trigger. Now for the action, we have a lot of actions. We have the email, the SMS, the profile property update, webhook, internal alert, timing if you want to put a timing delay or a logic. You have here a condition. When someone is added to newsletter, you are going to send it an email. This is the first action. You have to set up the email first. From here, we have the email name. We are going to put the email name, for example, welcome email, like that. And for the subject line, which will appear to the customer, we are going to put here, welcome to our store. Or not welcome, this is a thank you email. Thank you email. Thank you for joining our community. Here we have it. The preview also you have to copy and paste it. Here we have it. And for the sender name, you have to put the sender email address. We have it. A little disclaimer, guys, everything created in this video, such as email addresses, accounts, are created for the sake of the video. They are not used for any personal uses. Now, for template, you can go ahead and select a template. Now it will take you to the library, and here we have the template. You can go ahead and select whatever template you want from any color right here, and you will be good to go. For example, I am going to use this one. This template, I am going to use it as the template. I will wait for a few seconds to load up the template to the actions, and you can go ahead and customize that template. Simply, right here, we have the template to be customized. You can go ahead and see that this is a drag and drop menu. You can select an item or an element or a block from here. Simply drag and drop it right here, and you will be good to go. I'm going to delete that. This is the announcement board. We have here the logo. You can go ahead and replace or remove that logo. You can select an image, upload an image. For example, I'm going to select that. You can go ahead and put the width to it. We can make it smaller, bigger, whatever. You can go ahead and edit it. Here we have a little bit of size. I'm going to resize this to 300 like that. Click on apply and we'll see the result. Did not apply the result yet, but it is okay. You can go ahead and remove it. Here we have the option to see and add some text, some buttons, some drop shadow, some header bar, social links. If you don't have a social links, this is it. And some products. If you want to suggest for your client a product like that, you can go ahead and add it right here. Put the image, or you can put it here as a static or a dynamic. and here you will see the display for desktop, mobile, or both. Now, I will go ahead and preview and test, but not here. I'm going to return to Flow. This was the template. We have set the template. Here we have it. You can see here the preview and everything will be set. We have here the settings. You can add some filters and simply you are good to go. Now, when you finish here, you can review it and turn on. Here we have the action, turn on the email flow, and here we go. That was the email flow set. I'm going to exit this specific page, and we are going back to flows. Here we have the flow created. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and see you soon on the next one.